Alright, so I don't know where to start. Like I said in the previous video, I want to start documenting the process, documenting the build of my car and things. So I guess this will be the first one. Welcome. Kick things off with the build. We are going to finish up the straight pipe, and I also got new tips right here. So these are the new tips. Those are the old ones. So those are the one that I initially put on the car. So right now, 3 mufflers are deleted on the car, but I have to finish up with the resonator and then what they call, I guess they call the pre-cats. So, and then put on these new boys, and they're a little bigger. They got the burnt tips. Point, if you're not too familiar with the Acura TL, I will actually draw it out for you. Okay, so here's the engine, and then so there will be, so these are the pipes, pipes, and then it goes like that, I think. So what there is there's a resonator, and then the cat, pre-cat, and then they had 2 mufflers on top of that. Oh, and then on top of that, there was a mid muffler right there. And so what I deleted when I put those tips on was this one, and this one. And I'll show you a sound clip before I delete this. We're gonna delete that, and then this today, and then add new tips. So that's today's plan. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like now with just this, and this deleted. Wow, I did not even record the cold start, but that was just that was a semi cold start because I didn't press record. But anyways, I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna give a couple revs so I can hear what it sounds like before I delete the mid muffler and the pre-cat. Like a little blip to 3,000, but I looked back and I forgot I modified some star lights. So I came to a surprise when I looked back. I was like, oh, it looks so beautiful. But yeah, I'll talk more about the star lights in another video. But here's the star lights right now. I'm still not done with it. Still gotta finish up some wiring and stuff, and then also cover all this. But it's a work in progress. It's done. The hard part is done now. The cleanup. All right. Well, so anyways, it's 10:30 now, so I should head to the muffler. I dropped it. Okay. Anyways, it's time to head over to the muffler shop and get them to weld in some pipes.
A few inches later.
Woo! I just got back from the muffler shop, and well, tips are on. See right there. Pretty clean. Hold up, let me flip at the screen real quick. I don't know if you heard some of the exhaust tones coming into the garage, but put a smile on my face, man. Those are some clean tips. But anyways, so I went to the muffler shop. Unfortunately, they weren't able, that particular muffler shop that I went to, they weren't able to delete the third cat, so they just got rid of the resonator, and honestly, I couldn't be more happier. It sounded really good. I'm excited. It was worth it. I didn't think it would be a difference, but I think it adds a little more rumble, more aggressiveness to the TL. I got bigger tips too. if I didn't say it earlier, I got bigger tips too because the old ones were kind of small, and it was bothering me that there was a gap. Some switchbacks came in, so I have to install that. I really, crossing fingers, I don't need to add a resistor to it, but it will also be my first time doing switchbacks, so no longer amber lights for these daytime running lights right there. So we got, it says that you gotta go through the wheel well. That would be another day. I'm gonna clean this up. I had to change because I started to sweat on my nice shirt. So the agenda for today real quick before I have to go, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these two parts of the seat, reroute this wire underneath the seat and on into the trunk for the starlight, and then I'll be happy for today. Well, it is pretty much done. Sword can't really finish the rest of it because I gotta go, but I put the seat somewhat back. I still gotta screw in the bolt here, there, and there. Yeah, there's the bolts. Right there, I don't know if you can see it there. There's the bolts, so I gotta secure the seat. But other than that, the idea I have is to have it wired from console down there under the seat all the way into the back where the light source is, and then this right here, the fiber optic is lead down into the trunk, and then you get your starlights. I finished all the stuff that I want to do. I wish I was able to have enough time to secure it, but I gotta go. Let me clean up, go, and then tomorrow I'll continue with it. Actually, before I go, I gotta hear that new exhaust sound. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I need my leg. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Worth it. But yeah, now I gotta put the lights and stuff back in here. But peace.